How to fix blue screen error loop. Your PC ran into a problem and needs restart. So if you're facing this problem, then what you need to do is just go with your search and search for recovery option. Or you can simply search for settings. And under settings, you need to simply go with the search, which is here on the upper left, and then search for recovery. Once you're here on the recovery page, now you just need to simply go with the advanced startup and then go with restart now option. Once you go with restart now, it will take you to a new kind of interface where you just need to simply follow the steps which I'm telling you. This will open up your PC in advanced startup and you need to simply go with the troubleshoot option. Under troubleshoot, you need to go with advanced option. Under advanced option, you need to go with command prompt. Once you go with the command prompt, it will take you to a command prompt. You will get this kind of command prompt, right? You might need to enter your password of your laptop or desktop that you are using. Once you enter your password, you just need to simply enter a few commands. So the first command is sfc space /scannow and hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, it will scan all of the files and repair all of the Windows corrupted files. This process might take up to 3 to 5 minutes. And once the verification process has been completed, now you need to enter the next command, which is bootrec space /fixMBR and then hit the enter. So this will repair the MBR file. Once you've done, you need to enter the next command, which is again bootsect space /NT60 space sys. Press enter. Now type the next command, which is bootrec space /fixboot. So this will repair the boot file as well. Now type in the next command, which is bootrec space /rebuildbcd. Press the enter and wait for a few seconds to complete. Now type in the final command, which is chkdsk space /f space /r space c and colon. So this will repair if you have any error in your hard drive. Press the enter and this process will take around 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on the size of your hard drive. So once you've completed, you can simply go with the continue option. And once you've continued, your blue screen error will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.